What's up, Kids Who Technical? I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, I have some products in front of me. First, I want to say thank you to Snapdragon and Motorola for picking me to send me out some of your products. So they sent me out, courtesy of Motorola and Snapdragon, they sent me out the new Moto Edge Plus 5G, and this is currently rocking Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. This is rocking the 8 Gen 1 processor and side, but you just get a blue box. And I have not had a Moto device in a while. I've had two Moto devices. I had the Moto E Plus, that was a long time ago, and then I had the Moto G Power, and now I have the Moto Edge Plus. So we're just gonna unbox it and you're greeted with the device like so. I'm gonna put this down and let's see what else you get in the box. This is a $999 device. So this is Moto's flagship, one of their flagship devices, you know. Usually Motorola makes budget devices, but they're trying to step their game up a little bit, and it seems like this might be a good device to pick up. So you do get a charging plug. You know, this is Motorola. You're still getting your charging plug, unlike Samsung and Apple, that their devices are even more expensive than this one. They don't throw in a charging plug, but this is $9.99 and you get a charging plug, and you also get, it's 30 watts. So that's good. This should be pretty fast, and you also get your charging cable. So now I'm going to place everything back in the box like so. And now we're going to pull off plastic. And we're going to get this bad boy going, powered up for the first time. I can tell you that I do like the color of the device. That really looks good. This does have a plastic back. I know that part for sure. Get some information on the camera. You get 3 cameras. One is 50 megapixels. One is 2 megapixels. And you get a third one. Oh, well, no, you get 3 cameras. As you can see, 50 megapixel. You don't get a headphone jack, but you get your USB charging port, your Sims card, or your Sims tool. I'll have to see what storage they sent me out. I don't know how much storage they sent me out, but now I'm going to turn on the device. This has a 6.7 inch display. And another cool thing about this device is this device has 144 hertz refresh rate. And this is ranked at $9.99. And you have the Samsung device and iPhones that only have 128 gigahertz refresh rate, and those are even more expensive. So this is pretty cool. It has a higher refresh rate than your mainstream flagship phones. You get your power button. This doubles as a power button, and it also doubles as your fingerprint scanner. So this is what it looks like when you are cutting on the device. And like I said, I will put up, okay, that's nice. I will put up somewhere. So this is a Verizon variant. I don't know if I can use it with another Sims card, but we'll see. I hope I can, because I do not have Verizon. And I do want to use this device alongside with my iPhone every now and then when I don't want to use my Samsung device. You get a camera, the camera punch hole at the top. Even though this is called the Edge, there is really no edge. There's a little edge on the back. But the screen is a flat display because, as you know, their Motorola Edge the original Motorola Edge did not do too well. People were having a lot of issues with the touch sensitivity on the curves with it, which it looked nice, but you know, if you are having a lot of accidental touches, that's no good. So they redesigned it and just put a flat edge on it, and it's still called the Moto Edge Plus. So I'm gonna drop in my Wi-Fi real quick. I actually do like that because you don't really have to worry about this getting a lot of breaking if it drops, because this is plastic. Yes, it might can get some scuffs and scratches, but I'd rather have scuffs and scratches than having to worry about the glass breaking on the back. But this does look nice, and the camera array looks nice. I do know this does have wireless charging. It has reverse wireless charging. Get it all set up and ready. Look at that. This is an OLED display. It looks nice. Colors look nice and vibrant on here to me. And this is running Android 12. And basically, you're going to get mainly stock Android with this device. And that's cool. I may even do a comparison this to my Pixel 6 Pro, because these two are running on stock Android. You get your camera. Pretty much this just has been unboxing and quick turn on of the Moto Edge Plus 2022 version. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.